Hi, I'm Raza. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to review a very unique phone, the LG Wing in 2025. With its one-of-a-kind design and a swivel screen that turns into a T-shape, this phone has always stood out in the tech world. But the question is, does it still have something to offer in 2025? So, join me as we explore the features of this phone and finally answer the question, is the LG Wing worth buying in 2025? Stay tuned till the end to find out. Design and build. First of all, the design of the LG Wing is truly eye-catching. It features a 6.8-inch main display with Full HD Plus resolution, and when it swivels, it reveals a 3.9-inch secondary screen. This T-shaped design isn't just stylish, it's also perfect for multitasking. For example, you can watch a video on the main screen while replying to messages on the secondary screen. The build quality is a combination of glass and metal, giving it a premium and durable feel, display, and user experience. The main display is a POLED panel with vibrant and sharp colors. The secondary screen is great for light tasks like checking notifications or controlling music. In 2025, the LG Wing will likely run the latest version of Android or a custom operating system. The interface is smooth, and thanks to its powerful hardware, there's no lag whatsoever. Hardware and performance. In 2025, the LG Wing is expected to come with a more powerful processor and at least 8 GB of RAM. This means it can handle heavy gaming and multitasking without any issues. The internal storage starts at 128 GB, which is expandable via a microSD card, camera, and photography. The LG Wing's main camera features a 6.4 MP sensor that captures high-quality photos. The gimbal mode is excellent for video recording, minimizing shakes and vibrations. The front-facing camera is 3.2 MP, perfect for selfies and video calls. Battery and charging. The 4,000 mAh battery is enough to last a full day. If you use multitasking features heavily, you might need to recharge midway through the day. However, with support for fast charging and wireless charging, this isn't a big issue. Conclusion. Now that we've covered everything, it's time to answer the main question, is the LG Wing worth buying in 2025? The answer is yes, but only for those looking for a unique and different experience. If the unique design, dual screen setup, and multitasking capabilities matter to you, this phone could be a great choice. However, if you're looking for a simpler and more affordable option, you might want to consider other alternatives. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you in the next one.